Hey guys, I'm Frankie. I'm here with Heinz as part of Art of the Burger. So it's my job to help you unleash your inner artist so that you can take the burger and make it your canvas onto which you will paint your picture. That's right, we're gonna make delicious and unique burgers at home. We're starting off with my sweet and spicy pineapple burger. So strap on your apron and find a beret. It's time to fire up the grill. We're gonna start by pickling some onions. Try to get the thinnest pieces of onion, half moon shape. Now let's make the pickling liquid some water, distilled vinegar, sugar, and some kosher salt. So we're just gonna bring this up to a simmer so that everything dissolves. Our pickled onions are gonna be a pop of flavor that's so much more complex than your average sliced onion. Plus, we can use them for other dishes in the future. Everything's dissolved, and now, ooh, that super hot liquid is gonna penetrate deep into the center of the cell walls of the onions, much faster than cold liquid would. So I'm just gonna cover this up, let it cool, and set it aside. Now it's time to create a piece of art. Ketchup, and some Honeyracha, which is sriracha and honey mixed together, so you get like super sweet and spicy. Sesame oil, it's gonna add a nuttiness and some nice fattiness, give us a good mouthfeel. Soy sauce for salt and deep color, and some limes to cut through everything. Let's mix this up. Take a little taste. I'm an artist and I must know what the flavor is before I put it inside of my blend. Here's where we were, here's where we're at. We got spicy, we got sweet, we've got umami, we've got nutty, we've got fatty. And now that we're gonna put it inside of our burger, we're gonna have all of those flavors in a way that's delivered to your mouth unexpectedly. We don't wanna put too much here. All these different flavors that are happening here are gonna accentuate everything I love about burger meat. I think it's a missed opportunity if you just take ground beef and form it into patties. You should totally be putting flavor onto the inside. I'm just adding a little bit of a neutral high smoke point oil. Salt right before you put the burgers in the pan. Hit these guys with salt because I'm ready to flip it over. I'm gonna cook this on each side twice. What else can we do with condiments? Well, we can glaze it on here, and then when we flip it and cook it, we're gonna intensify the flavors even more. We're gonna work a little quickly now. We don't wanna burn anything. Remember, sugar burns much faster than meat. So give it a minute on each side after the glaze. These look great, they smell great, but it's time to add a little artistic flair. So let's use our already hot pan and grill up some pineapples. So modern and contemporary. They are just rings of canned pineapple, and they give us this sweetness and moisture that is so, so good. So just a kiss on these pineapples. Look at that. It's time to put the finishing touches on our masterpiece, AKA assemble. Bottom bun first, mayonnaise. Spreading out the mayo really, really nicely across the whole bun creates an impermeable layer which prevents the burger juices from soggying our bottom bun. Check out our little pickles here. More textural anomalies. Pickled jalapeños. You see the contrast in color here? I mean, it really is a painting. We got the lettuce here. So now our top and bottom buns are both protected from water, which is the enemy of bun structure. It's absolutely delicious. Full of flavor, juicy, sweet and spicy, but not overly. Just enough to elevate all the flavors and make this sit above the flavor of your standard burger. So there it is, the sweet and spicy pineapple burger. You know, at the end of the day, the burger is your canvas and the toppings are the paints that you're gonna paint with. And it doesn't have to be so cut and dry and square. You can think outside the box. So today I took my toppings and put them inside the burger, and then glazed the burger and gave them a kiss on the stove. Now it's ensured that every bite is gonna have all the flavor characteristics of the glaze that we made. It's familiar, yet exciting because there's some new elements to it. So I really encourage you to unleash your inner artist, color outside of the lines, and make a burger at home. It's a fun process and you end up with a delicious product at the end. What's better than that?